If you're on the hunt for a compact, yet powerful Mini-ITX PC case that doesn't compromise on performance or aesthetics, the Cooler Master NCORE 100 Max is definitely worth considering. Before diving into the details, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This case is a continuation of the Max series legacy, offering a sleek and ultra-small 15.7-liter footprint that exclusively supports Mini-ITX motherboards. Despite its compact size, it is engineered to handle high-end components with ease. One of its standout features is the included custom 120mm AIO cooler, designed with a 38mm radiator and precision tubing, paired with a third-generation pump. This setup ensures efficient cooling for powerful CPUs like AMD Ryzen 7 and Intel Ultra 7 processors, making it ideal for high-performance builds. A major highlight is the vertical GPU mounting capability, supporting GPUs up to an impressive 356mm in length. This means you can comfortably install top-tier graphics cards such as the Nvidia RTX 5080 or AMD RX 9070 XT without worrying about clearance issues. The case's extendable frame design further enhances compatibility by allowing the width to expand from 155mm to 172mm, providing additional space for larger GPUs. Power delivery is handled by the integrated 850W SFX Gold ATX 3.0 PSU, which can supply up to 600W specifically to the GPU. This PSU comes with custom short-length cables to reduce clutter and improve airflow inside the case. Additionally, the 90° 12V2x6 PCIe 5.0 connector adds durability and safety to power delivery, a thoughtful touch for ensuring long-term reliability. Thermal management has been carefully optimized with a layout that maximizes airflow through the largest side surfaces of the case, helping to keep components cool even under heavy loads. The overall design emphasizes effortless installation and a clean, distinctive aesthetic that stands out in the Mini-ITX segment. Pros: ultra-compact 15.7L size perfect for space-conscious builds. Included custom 120mm AIO cooler with advanced pump technology. Supports large GPUs up to 356mm, including latest gen cards. Integrated 850W SFX Gold PSU with PCIe 5.0 ready cables. Expandable frame design for added GPU clearance. Vertical GPU mounting for better cooling and display. Optimized airflow and thermal performance cons. Limited to Mini-ITX motherboards only, which may restrict some build options. Smaller case size might be challenging for beginners during cable management. Included PSU, while powerful, might be overkill for lower-end builds overall. The Cooler Master NCORE 100 Max is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to build a powerful, compact, and visually striking Mini-ITX system. Its thoughtful design, premium components, and future-proof features make it a standout option in the small form factor market. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab yours today.